buffalo chicken, nacho cheese, onion rings. But do they belong in ramen? Hey, I'm NojiNora, ramen maniac from Japan. When I think of the Super Bowl, I picture friends, family, and a table full of food. So today, I'm going with buffalo chicken, nacho cheese, and crispy onion rings. Now the crazy part, can all of this actually work with Jiro-Style Ramen? I picked the Super Bowl for this ramen because I've always loved watching sports. In Japan, baseball and soccer are huge. Sumo, volleyball, basketball, and even table tennis are really popular too. For me, soccer, baseball, and sumo are big three. But American sports culture has always fascinated me. When I picture sports in America, I immediately think of football and baseball, maybe golf too. And soccer seems to be getting bigger and bigger lately. Americans watching this, how accurate is my image? I actually lived in America for a while when I was younger. I even got my driver's license there. But somehow, I never made it to a football game. I still regret that. I did get one little taste of American sports though. I once played a practice baseball game against an American college team. So baseball made it into my American memories. Football didn't.
Too hot. Mmm. Psycho. Tasty.
Next up, onion rings. I want these super crispy. This ramen is going to be heavy, so I need some crunch. One thing I've noticed at home, my kids get really excited when I make American food. Mac and cheese, burgers, fried chicken, fries, American style pizza, tacos. They love all of it. And that got me wondering about the opposite. How often do you guys actually eat Japanese food? Sushi is the obvious one. But what about yakiniku, tempura, soba? Is Japanese food something you eat regularly? Or mostly when you go out? Of course, this is the Jiro-Style Ramen. So no matter how American this gets, I'm not skipping the chashu. And you already know what comes next. Garlic. Lots of it. Now I need to make all these flavors feel like one ramen. I'm starting with tare and pork fat. They are little ranch to bring in that game day flavor. This is where the two worlds start coming together.
Rich.
By the way, I need your help with something. I want to discover more American food. Restaurant food, home cooking, snacks, anything. Tell me one American food I absolutely need to try. Maybe your suggestion becomes a future ramen. Alright, this is the moment. Super Bowl party food, meet Jiro. And one last thing.
Itadakimasu. Buffalo chicken. Ooh. Vegetable. Onion ring. Noodle. Ooh.
Okay, this is really good. The buffalo chicken, ranch, cheese, and Jiro-Style Ramen actually work together.
Mix.
But honestly, I realized something while eating this. I kind of want to eat everything separately. Not because they don't work together. It's because they're already so good on their own. I'd rather put all of this on the table. Sit around with family and friends. And eat it while talking about absolutely nothing. So, is the ramen a success? Yeah, it's delicious. But maybe some foods don't need to become one. Maybe they're better when they bring people together. Today started with one question. Can Super Bowl party food become Jiro-Style Ramen? The answer is yes. But I think I finally understand the party part a little better. Good food is great. Good food with people you love is even better. And next time, I'm heading somewhere completely different. Bright lights, crazy food, and apparently, everything gets fried. Welcome to the State Fair. Now imagine that as Jiro-Style Ramen. See you in the next bowl. If you'd like to try it yourself, here are all the ingredients I used. See you in the next challenge. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this ridiculous bowl, subscribe and join the ramen madness. I'll see you in the next bowl. NojiNora life. Thank you.